In today's video, we'll walk you through how to build a modern delivery app powered by advanced AI features. We're covering the essential features your delivery app must include, the AI capabilities that make operations smarter, and how our pre-built delivery management system at Apptunix can speed up your launch dramatically. Let's get started. Delivery has become a default expectation. Customers want speed, transparency, and convenience, and businesses want control over customer data, commissions, delivery efficiency, and profits. That's exactly why building your own delivery app is becoming a strategic edge instead of an optional feature. A complete delivery ecosystem usually includes 4 main components: customer app, smooth ordering experience, easy search, real-time tracking, safe payments, ratings and reviews. 2. Delivery partner app, order notifications, map navigation, earnings overview, status updates. 3. Merchant store app, product listing, inventory control, order approvals, real-time price changes. 4. Admin dashboard, full operational visibility, delivery monitoring, reports and analytics, user management. At Apptunix, these modules are already available in our pre-built delivery management software, which means businesses don't have to start from zero. Adding AI to delivery isn't about looking futuristic. It's about cutting costs, improving speed, and making better decisions automatically. Here are the AI features that make the biggest difference. 1. AI-based auto-assignment. AI looks at real-time factors like distance, traffic, and delivery partner availability to assign orders automatically. 2. Intelligent route optimization. AI finds the fastest route for every order, adjusting for traffic, diversions, and peak times. This leads to quicker deliveries and lower fuel costs. 3. Predictive demand forecasting. AI analyzes past order data, weather, and local events to predict demand. This helps merchants prepare the right stock and plan the right delivery capacity. 4. AI chat automation. Instead of customers waiting for support, AI instantly answers common queries and only sends complex cases to human reps. 5. Fraud prevention and anomaly detection. AI flags unusual patterns like repeated cancellations, fake accounts, or abnormal refund requests, protecting the business from unnecessary losses. Instead of spending months building everything from scratch, many brands today prefer starting with a pre-built foundation. With Apptunix's delivery management platform, you get 80% of the core features ready. All major AI functionalities pre-integrated, faster go-to-market, lower initial investment, complete flexibility to customize. It's a practical approach. Launch quickly, test the market, and then scale your app into a fully custom product as the business grows. That was a quick breakdown of how modern delivery apps are built using AI and smart automation. If you're exploring a delivery solution for your business, check out our pre-built platform at Apptunix or reach out by visiting the link in the description. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.